Iba talaga pamamaraan ng Diyos sa pamamaraan natin? His ways are greater and higher than our ways, and His thoughts are greater and higher than our thoughts. Remember, Jericho Wall, largest, strongest, safest city in Canaan. Pero sabi ng Lord, your military strategy is off the table. Umikot kayo once a day, But His ways are higher than our ways. Remember Gideon, Judges chapter 7? Libo-libo ang kalaban nila, pero sabi ng Lord, 300 lang, tapos yan. Remember Jehoshaphat? 3 army nagtulong-tulong para pabagsakin ang Judah. Ready na silang lumaban, ang sabi ng Lord, musician at singer ang ilagay mo. Buti na lang, nasa tono yung mga singer nun. Pero sino man naman ang mag-aakala na pwedeng papanalunin ng Panginoon without them even fighting? Why? Hindi lahat ng battle madadaan mo sa tactic, galing, talento, skills, and better strategies. No, sometimes all you need to do is kneel down and pray. Erase mo yung banner yan and remind yourself who your God is, who you are representing to, and who you belong to. Come on, palapakan natin ang ating Panginoon. So maganda. Masama bang magplano, Pastor? No. Ayusin mo, planuhin mo, isolve mo, push harder. Pero hindi pwedeng tulak ka ng tulak, plano ka ng plano, ayos ka ng ayos, pero napakahina ng prayer life mo, kapatid.